101boxbreaks.com. Doing some Immaculate. Little personal break. Johnny Ice, number 4, D-Money. Box number 2114 coming your way. You chose box 4. Here's box 4. All these cards will come sleeve, top loaded, all that fun stuff. And I'm even going to ship for you tomorrow, sir. That's right. So you get these bad boys nice and quick. All right. Box 5 was a doozy. Let's see what we got here in number 4. Empty top. Pack is out. Empty bottom. Sealed up. All right, this is a personal box break for Johnny Ice on the chat. Heavy D, the Boom Factory, 101boxbreaks.com, trying to bring some nastiness. Let's see some Boom. I want to. Heard nothing but awesome stuff about this Immaculate. I want to see it. Empty boxes there. Here we go. First card's going to be Thaddeus Young. 19 out of 99, Thaddeus Young. Beautiful card for the T-Wolves. Starting us off there for Johnny Ice's personal box break. Card number 2 is going to be Jared Solinger. 32 out of 99, dual patch. For Boston. That was just a little fuzzy. A little fuzzy on the card there. Beautiful nastiness there. All right, and then next we've got Anthony Rui. Big old jumbo patch, 68 out of 99 for the Knicks. For the Knicks. And then Dale Ellis. Immaculate Ink, 65 out of 99. The Seattle Supersonics. Dale Ellis. There you go. Feeling the Anthony, right? And then we've got George Gervin. Shadow Box Acetate Auto. The Spurs. 15 out of 49. Shadow Box Signatures. I think we're going to end it on a little boom. I think it is anyway. Check this out. Oh, Jabari Parker. 17 out of 99. 3-color on-card RPA. Oh. Very nice Jabari Parker. 17 out of 99. Come on. Beautiful card there in the box. Not bad at all. Another solid box for you, bud. Boom. Sweet. Give me just a second. That Jabari Parker's nasty. All nice and one-touched up for you, buddy. Congratulations to you, Johnny Ice. Beautiful, beautiful hit. Out of Immaculate. Coming your way. Gonna definitely go ahead and put that in a shipment for you tomorrow. Get that out of here and on its way to you. Got a nice little stack going here. Congrats on the Jabari. I'll get those all packed up tonight. Whew! Really? $500 to $700 card? Oh, man. Very nice. Where's the bottom when you need it? All right, let me go ahead and save this video. It's a little Johnny Ice personal break. Be right back with you guys. Thank you very much. It's 101boxbreaks.com.